Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to tag companies in your LinkedIn articles so they get notified and can engage with your content. Let's begin by clicking the Start a Post button right here at the top of your feed. You'll see the Add Media icon pop up. Go ahead and select that to attach your article. Here's where the tagging happens. Just click this tag icon to bring up the company search. In the search bar that appears, type in the names of any companies you'd like to mention in your post. After you've found the right companies, simply click Add to include them. Your tags are now attached to the post. Click Next to move forward with publishing. Write a caption or any additional context for your post, then hit the Post button to publish it. Perfect! Your post is now live, and you can see the company tags displayed right here in the published content. That's all there is to it. You now know how to tag companies in your LinkedIn posts to boost visibility and engagement.